you're back on the show. Happy New Year 2016 na po. Kailangan po that we get our paperwork in order. We make sure that we get the proper advice. We seek legal counsel. Attorney Allison Aquino-Silva and Attorney Richard Loew are here to help us. Of course, you can call them. They are available on Skype. Or, you can email them. Their offices are here in Pasadena. But no matter where you are in the world, you can get in touch with them because of technology, which is a great thing. So before we went to break, we had a call from Sapurnino who was asking if he was going to automatically be a citizen. Can we just clarify this before we go to our next caller?
Sure.
Sure. I think we got a little bit confused about what actually the question was. To become automatically a U.S. citizen when your parents naturalize, you have to be under the age of 18 at that time. So the three things that have to happen under the age of 18, you have to be in the United States under age 18, in the custody of that parent, and be a permanent resident when your parent naturalizes. So if all those three things happen and you're here, then you become a citizen automatically. You don't have to apply for citizenship. If you're older than 18, then you do. Now, and in this gentleman's case, he's 27 years old. It was 27 years as a resident. I don't know when his mother became a U.S. citizen, but it could be possible that she became a U.S. citizen a long time ago.
Okay.
And he could be a U.S. citizen without knowing it.
All right. Okay, kasama naman natin si June from Los Angeles calling us with her immigration question. June?
Hi, good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon, G, and good afternoon also to our lawyers.
Good afternoon.
My question is there any hope for those who are cruise ship, should I say, who jump and he's been here for more than 15 years and they're paying the tax also? And what they should do that they can able to apply for any changes of their status?
Okay, so the question is, they've jumped ship. Is there any hope for them? Can they get married?
And it's difficult because there are a lot of restrictions when a person enters the United States as a crewman. Generally speaking, you cannot just adjust your status from being out of status to a permanent resident, generally speaking. And so a new procedure that started up a few years ago allowed for provisional waivers. And so that really is the one remedy that's now available for individuals who are eligible for a green card who entered as crewmen. You can still apply for your green card if you're eligible, say, through marriage. So if you're married to a U.S. citizen and or a green card holder who eventually will become a U.S. citizen, you can apply for your green card, but because you entered as a crewman, you do still need to go back to the Philippines in order to process your green card. The benefit, however, is that with the institution of that provisional waiver program a few years back, you will know whether it's safe or not to head back to the Philippines and obtain your green card because you'll know whether your waiver has been granted or not.
Okay. All right. We have a call from Remy. Hello, Remy.
Oh, hello. Good afternoon.
Magandang hapon din. Ano po yung tanong ninyo?
Ang tanong ko, pwede ba mag-request brother to brother, brother to sister, sister to brother? Pwede ba mag-request ng ganon?
Okay, can you petition for your siblings?
Yes, if you're a U.S. citizen, you can petition for your siblings. And those petitions take a long time. But I always recommend that my clients petition for their siblings because you never know what's going to happen down the road. And we've had families where they've petitioned for the three that wanted to come at the time and the one person that didn't want to come. And now that the petition's ready to go, he wants to come, but it's too late to file now. So always, I think it's a good idea to put that out there, and you never know what happens down the road. It is a long wait, but I think it's good to do.
When we're talking long wait, we're talking about 10?
Well, 93
20?
is when they're processing those petitions.
So yeah, you're talking 2 decades.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We have another call from Manuel. Manuel?
Hi, G. Good afternoon. My question on my green card, I had to renew it. I don't understand, and a long time I didn't know I was, illegal. But now I know that. Why do we have to renew a green card every 10 years? And you won't go to hell if you have a tattoo, like your mom said. Just ask for forgiveness from God. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. The tattoo, I was kidding about that, of course. So now his question, Remy's question, can he renew after 10 years? Do you have to renew after 10 years?
Yeah. Previously, the green card had no expiration date, and so that confused a lot of people. But way, way, way back, well in the 90s, they changed that and implemented an expiration date. And so the green cards are generally valid for 10 years, and you do need to renew, but it's not mandatory. So the first thing I want to clarify is that the expiration date on the green card doesn't mean that you fall out of status. So when your card expires, you're still a permanent resident. You continue to be legally in the United States. The expiration of the green card just means you don't have evidence of your lawful status.
I see.
And so if that's expired, it'll be difficult to travel. If you find a new job, you won't have evidence that you're eligible for a job.
Okay. All right, magbabalik tayo dito sa Kababayan Today. Abangan po yan when we return.